In the previous unboxing and test videos of the iPhone 14 series, we found that the MiFi chip of the included USB-C to Lightning cable has been changed from C94 to C91M. So today we're going to take apart this cable and check its internal structure. The cable is fixed with paper clips, and it continues Apple design, white and simple. The junction is protected by an additional protective sleeve. The USB-C connector is not full pin design, and some info are printed on the cable. Model is A2561. The cable length is about 1.04 meters, and the diameter is 3.07 millimeter. The weight is only about 20 grams. As we mentioned, the ChargerLab PowerZ MF001 shows is a 100% original cable. The MiFi chip is C91M, and the manufacturer is Foxconn. Then let's go ahead and use the cutting machine to take it apart. Let's start with Lightning connector. Use the spider to remove the plastic case. The internal PCB is wrapped with metal shields and fixed by spot welding. The cable tie fastens the cable tightly and is used for grounding and shielding. Remove two pieces of steel covers. We can see the internal PCB. All wires are reinforced by injection molding, which is the amber part. There is a big chip on the small PCB, which is the C91M. Model is AS3616A. It integrates PD protocol identification, encryption module, and product info. Flip to the back, the solder joints are protected and fixed by glue. A chip with CSP package is under the glue. Next, let's continue to take apart the USB-C connector. Use the spider to remove the plastic case, and the metal shields are pretty similar to the Lightning connector. Except for removing the metal shields, we also removed the metal cover that protects the pins this time, so you can clearly see the entire connector. The connector is also reinforced by injection molding, which is the amber part, and it didn't adopt full pin design. The pins on both sides are slightly longer than the others and are used for grounding. It's a proprietary design of Apple. The negative, positive wires and other wires are soldered on one side, and two filter capacitors are soldered on the back. The internal pins are plated with gold, which makes them antioxidant and more durable. Finally, cut off the cable. There are 5 different wires inside. And let's remove the TPE. There is a layer of shielding net, and a layer of aluminum foil for shielding is under it. All 5 wires are wrapped in aluminum foil. The twisted structure can eliminate stress and make it more flexible. Those 2 red wires are used for positive power supply, and the white wire is D- wire, while the green wire is D+ wire. They are used for USB 2.0 data transmission. The blue wire is CC wire. Those 14 copper wires are negative wires and connected in parallel. There are some additional tensile fibers inside the cable. Well, that's 2 connectors and all wires of this cable. Since Apple removed the charger, that's the only accessory inside the box, and its model is A2561. We found the big MiFi chip C91M is soldered on the Lightning connector. Its overall quality also continues Apple's consistently high standards, with good protection and shielding performance. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. See you in the next video. Bye!